I have a new knife. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's open it. And here's my collection. And let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's open. It's the cute fish. Let's open it in 3, 2, 1. It's open. Oh, it's the fish and the bone. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe and follow. Please subscribe to my channel and just follow this channel. Okay, let's arrange them now. Okay, this banana, 2 bananas going here. This fish is going here. This one's going here. Can this fit? Can this fit? No. What can fit there? You think like this. Maybe it has more space. Oh. Okay. This one's going here. This one's going here. This one's going here. Perfect. Okay, please subscribe and please subscribe in the channel and please follow me. Please, I'm begging.